Why summarizing matters.
Summarizing helps you process and retain information by distilling complex material into its essentials. Whether you're studying, preparing for a meeting, or just trying to learn faster, the ability to create clear summaries allows you to capture what's important and save time later. Effective summarizing is a powerful productivity and learning tool for any subject or situation.
Read, understand, and highlight.
Begin by reading the entire text to grasp the main ideas. Highlight or underline key points, facts, and arguments as you go. Identifying topic sentences and repeated themes will help you distinguish the core message from supporting details. This active approach lays the groundwork for a focused, accurate summary.
Break down and organize ideas.
Next, divide the information into main sections or themes. Note the most important points under each. Outlining or making a concept map can help clarify relationships and show what really matters. By organizing information, you make it easier to express the content clearly and logically in your summary.
Write concisely in your own words.
Restate the key points using your own language. Avoid copying long phrases or sentences. Aim to preserve the essential message while expressing it simply and directly. Reduce extra details, examples, or anecdotes that are not crucial. Summaries are most effective when they're clear, concise, and use vocabulary you understand.
Revise and double-check.
After drafting your summary, review it to ensure it covers the main ideas and stays true to the original content. Remove unnecessary words or information. Check for clarity. If possible, compare it to the source to make sure you haven't missed key points. This final check will strengthen the quality of your summary.
Apply and improve your skills.
Practice summarizing a variety of texts, books, articles, lectures, or even podcasts to sharpen your skills. The more you practice, the faster and more accurate you'll become. Effective summarizing is invaluable for learning, productivity, and communication in any field, helping you stay focused and organized.